Okay. This thing is longer than my couch, my little couch anyway. So, as by the title of this video, you probably already know what this is. It is an unboxing of $350, $342 actually to be specific, $350 box from Evike. You will find out what is in. To be continued. So, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And, voila. I'm so happy. I got free 3-day shipping. Even though I did not just stab anything in the box currently. I mean, the knife kind of went in. Well, whatever. This box is so bulky and... Okay, it takes up this whole couch. So I'm probably going to be removing things. And then... Because this thing is ridiculous. Carrier on this side. What the fuck, dude? What the? Okay, never mind. Alright. So, recap of what I ordered. Paper. Of course, you always order paper. Boxes. Or whatever this is. Alright, so I'll go ahead and start out with this, I guess. Feels like... What the hell? It feels like jelly, like jelly in a bag plus something that's inside. I don't... Oh, this is my flashlight, I think. Hang on. Oh, it's my coffee! This is my coffee! Alright, I will go make some coffee and I will be right back. Okay? I'm gonna go make some coffee, but with the coffee, I will tell you how the coffee tastes. With the coffee came a Guns and Coffee badge. Might use that, probably won't. And my flashlighter. And depending on how, that's pretty nicely built, actually. So I'm gonna go make some coffee. I'll be right back. Box is ginormous. Alright. So, next thing on the list to take out. I want to start with all the little stuff. Well, actually, I got some, I got the Holy Cow special for, my gun. That one wasn't even packaged. That one fell out of the package. The package just fell apart in it. But, they're pretty nice. They're cold, mid-cap, they're mid-cap 140 round metal kit and mid-caps. They feel pretty nice. They're cold, so I mean obviously they're metal. That one fell out of the package, so I'm guessing the packaging isn't very sturdy. Whatever. So that's 2 mags for $5, which I am very happy about it. This wasn't sealed. I don't care about that. It's my half face mask. I was expecting it to be not so, like, more of a cloth kind of feel. I will mess with this litter. So far I have mask, flashlighter, 2 mags, and my coffee that I am currently roasting. So I'll try that as soon as it is done, and I'll go ahead and tell you how it is. I think these are my goggles. They're my goggles. Oh yeah. It even has like a cover on it. There's the extra lens. Has a one of those covers on it to make it stay clean. And then we have our... Comes in a really nice, very nice soft fabric. A microfiber, yeah. Microfiber pouch kind of thing. And then here are the actual goggles. Those are pretty nice. They were Matrix. I think it should come with a sheet that says all my stuff. But yeah, those are really nice. Pretty nice. They have a nice... Okay, so this is my red dot protector. Tactical scope and red dot lens protector. So if you get shot at, if your scope or red dot gets shot at, then this takes the hit, not your red dot. Oh, it comes with an extra lens. Very cool. It's plastic. Okay, I was like, if this is... Wait, hang on. Is it plastic? Oh, I think it's glass. Son of a bitch. That's why it came with an extra lens. But that'll work pretty well. Protect my lens, and it comes with a... Wait, no, they're plastic. Okay. No, wait. I'll find out. And then it comes with a plastic. And then it comes with a yellow one of these. Trash. Nice microfiber pouch. I already opened that. Okay. This is my red dot that fell out of the container. Do not eat silica gel. Do not eat, throw away. Desiccant. Yeah. So I will I'll be right back. There's someone at the door. Okay. This is my coffee. I added milk and creamer, and that is really good. Really good. I'm not sure if it's necessarily, like, better than what we already have. I mean, it's good. I have to say that. But it doesn't taste the same as our other coffee, but it is good. Very hot. Very, very hot. Alright. So, onto my red dot. Where's the, I think I left the case in here. This was the red dot packaging. All the packaging is just falling apart in this box, but that's okay, I guess. UPS isn't really the most ideal service. So, Red Dot Special Ops Edition, by AIM Sports, has a variety of designs, and it has blue and or red and green dots on it, and then yourself in it. Yeah. Coffee. Can't ever forget about the coffee. Okay, so it has a reflective thingamajig. I want to go ahead and turn it on. Oh, and all the switches are down here. Like with what reticle you want. And then the colors are right here. I know. Well, yeah, they are, but I guess this unscrews for the battery. I'll mess with that towards the end of the video. Okay. It comes with a rubber, pretty nice lead, I guess. It protects it. It does its job. Lens protector that comes on it. I don't know where I just put the Allen wrench for it. The mini Allen wrench. There's like a mini one and there's a big one. I will look back at the video after. Oh no, it's right here. Never mind. Okay. Where's he go? Alright, that was my dog. Doing something with it about my dog. Alright. Okay, so continuing on, there's a, I think this is my ammunition. It was on the other side, it was in the Mail Express, because I had 2 of these bags, and it's in the other one. Yep. Ammunition. And more ammunition. 10,000 rounds to be exact. Piece of paper. Una hoja de papel. Go ahead and put that right there. And I need to get this box out of the way. Everything's so big. Oh, that's what it was. Okay. Alright, cool. That's my list of stuff. I will read it after I unpack my gun. So, you know, Echo 1, you know, Echo 1 is pretty good. Pretty good. And, here comes the unveiling moment. Alright, enough of the epic moments. Alright, cool. Got some styrofoam to mess around with. Unjamming rod comes with it. By the way, this is... Hang on. This is the xcr-l edition, large or long. I'm not sure whichever. It's supposed to be a polymer gun. Yeah, it is polymer actually. Never mind. It's just some parts of it feel like the upper feels metal. No, never mind. There are some parts on it that are metal though. So first of all, over on this side, we have butterfly. Oh, these are the Allen wrenches. I think they're plastic. Whatever. I have plenty of Allen wrenches. Okay. Then we have our butterfly. Butterfly? Or what? Well, battery. A battery, okay. For the gun. It goes in the stock of the gun. We have our charger. I'm not going to use that probably. Well, I'm going to use it first time charge because I haven't gotten the smart charger yet. Then over on this side we have very well packaged and hard to get out. Oh, we have 2 of them. Oh, cool. Alright. Very well packaged and hard to get out magazines. We have 2 of them, and they are, again, metal. Very high quality, but they are high caps. I don't like high caps because of the annoying rattling noise they make when you run. That's why I got 2 extra mid caps. Cafe. Back to the gun. So we had our 2 magazines. Came with the smart charger, battery, and then hang on, it comes with a grip here. Stubby Echo 1 grip. What the is up with this? What is up with this? What is up with this? Alright, never mind. So we got that. With a handy little piece of or handy little stubby grip, as seen off of the ultralight M4 off of Evike YouTube, you know, of that video. The unboxing is a Echo 1 xcr-l. I attached the red dot that I got and the red dot protector along with the stubby grip it came with. I have 1 mag in the gun, I attached the flash hider, G36 flash hider onto it. I have 3 extra magazines, plus the one that's in the gun. 10,000 rounds, which I've already used more than half of one bag. Evike coffee, pretty good. And my face mask and goggles with the xcr-l, so yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. This battery wasn't fully charged, so it's not giving it full power.
Yeah.